Unlock the magic of acrylic pouring. Can you imagine a world where there are swirls of colors and the unpredictability of patterns? Well, look no further. Hello there, my name is Sarah, and welcome to this video from Sarah's Art Gallery. Are you ready to discover the beauty and wonders that the art world has to offer? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. Now, in this episode, we will dive into acrylic pouring, or fluid art. Involves the careful blending and pouring of acrylic paints to form liquid artwork that is as unpredictable as it is beautiful. Let us transport to a realm of creativity and wonder. This is the world of acrylic pouring, a mesmerizing artistic technique that allows both novice and professional artists to create stunning abstract pieces with unique and captivating designs. In this video, we delve into the transformative world of acrylic pouring, exploring its techniques, the aesthetics it can achieve, and its emotional and therapeutic impacts. Acrylic pouring isn't just an art form, it's a dance of colors and patterns that evolve right before your eyes. The technique has captured the imaginations of countless artists and enthusiasts, growing in popularity due to its accessible nature and mesmerizing results. Originating in the mid-20th century, but gaining real traction in the last decade through social media, acrylic pouring allows for an expression of creativity that is as unique as the artists themselves. The beauty of acrylic pouring lies in its simplicity and the infinite possibilities it presents. Every pour is a surprise, making each piece a one-of-a-kind creation that can never be exactly replicated. This unpredictability is what draws artists to this form of expression, where control meets chaos in a colorful symphony. Before diving into the swirling world of acrylic pouring, it's essential to gather the right materials. You will need acrylic paints, pouring medium, silicone oil, a variety of mixing sticks, and a collection of canvases or other substrates. Additionally, protective gear like gloves and aprons, as well as a covered work area, are crucial to keep the process clean and safe. Setting up your workspace is just as important as having the right tools. Ensure that your pouring area is level, as tilting can affect the flow of paint. Also, cover your space with plastic sheets or newspapers to catch any spills. Once your space is prepared, you're ready to embark on your acrylic pouring adventure. Acrylic pouring may seem daunting at first, but mastering the basic techniques can quickly turn beginners into adept artists. The most fundamental method is the dirty pour, which involves layering multiple colors in one container before pouring them onto the canvas. This technique can create beautiful, intricate patterns and color gradients. Another popular technique is the flip cup, where the colors are layered in a cup, which is then flipped onto the canvas, creating a burst of color as the paint spreads. These methods are the foundation upon which you can build more complex and personalized techniques. For those ready to take their skills further, advanced techniques like the swipe technique and string method provide new challenges and stunning results. The swipe technique involves dragging a tool across the canvas to blend colors in a smooth, controlled manner, often creating a wave-like effect. The string method, on the other hand, uses a string dipped in paint to make intricate, flower-like patterns. These advanced methods require a bit more practice and patience, but are incredibly rewarding. They allow artists to manipulate the paint in ways that produce unique and often surprising results. Understanding color theory is crucial in acrylic pouring. The colors you choose and how you combine them can dramatically affect the mood and aesthetics of your piece. Knowing which colors complement each other and which might create unwanted muddy mixes is essential. It's also important to consider the transparency and density of paints, as these factors influence how colors layer and interact with each other on the canvas. A deep understanding of color theory can transform your acrylic pour from a simple experiment into a profound artistic expression. Creating your first acrylic pour can be both exciting and a bit intimidating. Begin by choosing a simple technique and a color palette that inspires you. Mix your paints with the pouring medium to achieve the desired consistency, thin enough to flow smoothly, but thick enough to retain vibrant colors. Pour your colors into the canvas and manipulate the canvas by tilting it to guide the paint across the surface. Don't be discouraged if the first try doesn't meet your expectations. Like any form of art, acrylic pouring takes practice and patience. Acrylic pouring is as much a science as it is an art. The fluid dynamics involved in how the paint moves and settles are influenced by the density and viscosity of the different paint mixtures. Variables such as the angle and speed of the canvas tilt, the ambient room temperature, and even the humidity can affect the final outcome. Understanding these elements can help you better control the process and refine your techniques. This scientific approach demystifies some aspects of acrylic pouring, making it more accessible and manageable. The visual impact of acrylic pour art is undeniable. From vibrant color clashes to subtle color transitions, each piece evokes different emotions and interpretations. The aesthetic appeal of acrylic pouring lies in its ability to create abstract compositions that can complement any space. Artists have used this technique to produce not just small canvases, but large-scale installations and even functional art pieces like furniture and clothing. The versatility and visual appeal of acrylic pouring make it a popular choice for artists looking to explore new boundaries in abstract art. Many artists have turned to acrylic pouring as a means of expression and have found success and fulfillment in their journey. Hearing their stories can be incredibly inspiring, particularly for newcomers to the art form. They share tales of how acrylic pouring opened new doors for creativity and even helped them overcome personal challenges. These stories highlight the profound impact that engaging with art can have on individuals, providing not just a creative outlet, but also a path to personal healing and growth. The process of creating art through acrylic pouring can be incredibly therapeutic. The act of mixing colors, the tactile sensation of the paint, and the visual satisfaction of seeing a piece come together offer a form of stress relief and mental clearing that is unique to the creative process. Many artists find that acrylic pouring provides a meditative, relaxing experience that helps them disconnect from daily stresses and reconnect with their inner selves. The benefits go beyond the canvas, influencing artists' overall well-being and perspective. Once you have mastered the art of acrylic pouring, you may consider exhibiting and selling your works. Local art fairs, online platforms, and social media are great venues to showcase your art. Understanding the business aspects such as pricing, marketing, and customer engagement is crucial. Creating a compelling story around your art, documenting your process, and engaging with your audience can significantly enhance your visibility and attractiveness to potential buyers. Acrylic pour art has a broad appeal, making it a viable option for artists looking to enter the art market. The future of acrylic pouring looks bright, with new techniques and materials continually emerging. Innovations in paint formulations and pouring mediums, as well as the integration of digital tools and techniques, are expanding the possibilities of what can be achieved with this art form. As more artists experiment with and push the boundaries of acrylic pouring, we can expect to see even more captivating and innovative works. The community of acrylic pour artists is also growing, fostering a collaborative and supportive environment that encourages experimentation and sharing of knowledge. Acrylic pouring offers a unique and captivating way to engage with art, providing a platform for creativity, expression, and personal growth. If you are new here, you like the video, and I've given you some value, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for my newest videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Sarah from Sarah's Art Gallery saying, create your masterpiece one stroke at a time.